Hi, my name is pc.mp4 and today we will be installing a virtual machine in our system. Right, first question one might ask is, what is virtualization? Well, the web definition for virtualization is basically the creation of a virtual version of something rather than the actual physical, whether it be an operating system, a server, storage device, or network resources. To operate in this virtual environment, you need a virtual machine. There are various amounts of virtual machine software available in there, but for today's demonstration I'll be using Sun's VirtualBox. Okay, well basically there are a few things that I'd like to show you before I proceed with the installs, because we'll be setting up various virtual machines. Okay, here's some of the stuff that you'll need for the virtual machines. First, you'll need to download the ISO files for the various operating systems. Here we'll go to Pirate B. And you'll search for the file Windows Alright, and the listing will come up with the various torrents. You just select the torrent file, and once you have a torrent client installed on your machine, when you hit download this torrent, it will open with your relevant torrent machine. Right, and it is downloaded my Windows server. Also, another thing you can do is also create virtual drives to mount your ISO images to, so it will help facilitate your installs. It's not necessary, but you can take those steps if you like to. I'll just show you quickly how to create the drives. Magic ISO. You could download the program same way how you will download the ISO files. You can search for it online and download the program. Okay, when you open your ISO maker, you go to Tools, Virtual CD-ROM. As you see, I created my virtual drives already, 3 virtual drives where I mounted my ISO to. Normally you will do this when you have the number of drives you want to set, and you can create any number of drives you want to. So basically I just created 3 virtual drives to mount my ISO images to. Okay, and now I will show you the procedure how to install VirtualBox on your system. First steps I will take is downloading the VirtualBox program from the internet. I'll go online now to show you how to do this. Right, now you'll search for VirtualBox, and you will go to the website and download VirtualBox for your various operating systems. You save the file to your PC, and then you will install when it is completed. As you see, the file is kind of big, so I'll continue the video when the file has finished downloading. Right, and the download is finished. Alright, we will proceed with the installation of VirtualBox on your host machine. VirtualBox, and we will begin the installation now. Hit run. Right, you will be greeted at the home screen. Welcome to the setup wizard. Basically, it's a follow procedure where you basically follow the instructions coming up on the screen. So you hit next to proceed. This is basically where it is putting the program file on the system. You hit next. These two options, whether you want to create the shortcut on the desktop and the icon for the shortcut in the quick launch bar. Just proceed with next, and yes, you would like to proceed with installation, and you click install. Hit yes. Right, the system is installing VirtualBox on our host machine. A list of options will come up from Oracle site to install. I recommend that you install all these extra items because they will help facilitate the operation of the VirtualBox software. So you hit install. This is for network services. I will install that also. Your network adapters, install. This is the next option for your network adapters. Click install. Right, and your installation is complete. And this was the procedure of how to install VirtualBox on your host machine. In part 2 of the video, I will show you how to set up your virtual machines, Windows 2008 server.